Hello friends, welcome to CyberSkills 99 YouTube channel. Disclaimer. In this video, we'll explain Apache APISIX APISIX batch requests plugin vulnerability, CVE 2022241112, and walk you through its step-by-step manner. Information about vulnerability. Apache APISIX APISIX batch requests plugin allows overriding the X-Real IP header to remote code execution, RCE. An hacker can abuse the batch requests plugin to send requests to bypass the IP restriction of Admin A.P.I. A default configuration of Apache APISIX, with default API key, is vulnerable to remote code execution. When the admin key was changed or the port of Admin A.P.I. was changed to a port different from the data panel, the impact is lower. But there is still a risk to bypass the IP restriction of Apache APISIX's data panel. There is a check in the batch requests plugin which overrides the client IP with its real remote IP. But due to a bug in the code, this check can be bypassed. Now the time for proof of concept, POC. We hope you enjoyed this proof of concept, POC, video. Thank you for watching. Please give the videos a like, subscribe, and spread the video.